Hello, my dear children. How are you all? Are you all safe at home? Oh, that's really a very good news. Okay. See, actually, my husband's birthday was last week, and I bought him two things, a shirt and a pant. I gifted him. Okay. So I bought the shirt for 400 rupees and I bought a pant for 900 rupees. So totally, how much did I give to the shopkeeper? 1,400. So you all are correct. So this is what we are going to see. Today we are going to learn addition. Okay, before we start addition, we would like to recap or like relook into few concepts of numbers so that additions become very easy for you all. Are you all ready for the class, children? Wonderful. So let's start. So see, I have taken 100th block, and if I split it, I can get 10 10 tens block. Yes or no? So 10 tens makes 100. 10 tens makes 100. So if I am putting 10 tens together, it becomes 100, isn't it? 10 tens becomes 100. So these concepts you should be knowing it. 10 hundreds will make 1000. 10 ones will make 110. 10 ones. ഇപ്പൊ നമ്മൾ 10 onesന് നമ്മൾ ഇടുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ഇപ്പൊ നോക്കൂ. If I'm just taking 10 ones, okay, I'm just taking 10 ones. 1, 2, okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. What happens if I have 10 ones? It will become, see, 10 ones. When I keep it, it becomes 110. Okay, 110. Similarly, 10 ones made 100. So 10 hundreds will make 1,000. This is what you have to remember. Now let's go for column addition. Okay, so now without these blocks, let us see how to add. You have already learned column addition. Column addition in the sense we write the numbers one under another and then we will be adding it. Okay, so this is what we mean by saying column addition. Okay, so here we are going to add 379 plus 562. So when we have to add these numbers, the first thing what you have to do is you have to put it in the place value. So place the numbers according to the place value. Since here we are adding 3-digit numbers, we will have ones, tens and hundreds. So what did I do? I have placed both the numbers according to their place values. Okay, so that is the first step. Now next what we will do? We add the digits in each column separately. Now let us try to add it separately. ഇത് ഞാൻ തുടക്കത്തിൽ പറഞ്ഞു തരികയാണ്. ആർക്കെങ്കിലും കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ലാസ്റ്റ് വരെ ഈ വീഡിയോ കാണണം കേട്ടോ. ബിക്കോസ് ഇത് പറഞ്ഞു തരുന്നത് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മനസ്സിലാക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ്. ഓക്കെ, പക്ഷെ ഇങ്ങനെയല്ല നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. അത് നമുക്ക് ലാസ്റ്റ് വരെയുള്ള വീഡിയോ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ശരിക്കും കാണണം. So first നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്തു? 9 plus 2 11 എഴുതി, 7 plus 6 13 എഴുതി, 3 plus 5 8 എഴുതി. പക്ഷേ ones placeൽ can we write 2-digit number? Can we write 2-digit number in ones place? Or can we write a 2-digit number in tens place? No, we cannot write like that. Okay, so this is actually not the right way. So let's see what we are going to do next. So 11 in the ones column represent 11 ones അല്ലേ? ഇപ്പൊ 11 ones കോളത്തിൽ എഴുതിയ എന്താണ്? 11 ones ഉണ്ട് എന്നാണ് അർത്ഥം. 11 ones എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ എന്താണ്? 1 10 and 1 ones. ഒരു 10 ഉം ഒരു 1 ഉണ്ട് അല്ലേ? See, 11 is equal to 10 plus 1. So 1 10 and 1 ones we have. Okay. So then what we will do? Similarly, so what we will do is 1 ones we will write here and 1 tens we will give it here. So 13 tens will become how much? 14 tens. Now 14 tens means how much it is? 14 tens means how much? 14 tens means 10 tens make 100, no? So 10 tens plus 4 tens we can write. Okay, 10 tens plus 10 tens plus 4 tens. അപ്പോൾ ഒരു tens എന്തായി? ഈ tens placeലുള്ള 1 ന് എന്ത് ചെയ്തു? ഇവിടെ carry forward കൊടുത്തു. Okay, so what will happen? You see, what will happen? നമ്മളപ്പോ എന്താ ചെയ്തേ? ഈ 14 tens ഉള്ളതില് 4 ഇവിടെ വെച്ചിട്ട് ഈ ones എവിടെ കൊടുത്തു? നമ്മള് hundreds placeലേക്ക് കൊടുത്തു. So we will carry forward it. Okay. So 14 tens. Okay. Means it is 10 tens plus 4 tens. See, 14 tens means 10 tens plus 4 tens. So 10 tens means 100. So 100 means we are giving 1 to 100. So 8 plus 1 is 9. So the answer is 941. So the answer, when we add 379 and 562, we get 941. Okay, 941. Now let us see properly without writing that answer. Okay. Now, first thing we are recollecting in, the first thing we will be, what we will do? The first thing we will be writing the numbers in the place value chart. So I have written both the numbers in the place value chart. Then what we will do? We will start adding from the ones place. So 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 means the ones place digit will, we will write it in the here. Okay. And the tens place number we will give it as carry forward. So see, ones place 11, in 11 ones place 1 is there. Even in tens place we have 1. Okay, so we will give 1 as carry forward. Now we will add all these numbers in the tens place. So 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. In 14, what comes in the ones place? 4. So we will write 4 here. And what comes in tens place? 1. So we will give that 1 as carry forward. And then we are going to add these numbers. Okay, 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So the answer is 941. Is this clear to you? Yes. So now let us see one more example. Here we are going to add two 4-digit numbers. What are the numbers? 5,873 and 6,529. So what is the first step, children? The first step is to place the numbers according to their place values. അപ്പൊ മിസ് കണ്ടോ, പ്ലേസ് വാല്യൂ ചാർട്ട് ഓൾറെഡി എടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. അപ്പൊ നമ്മൾ എന്താ ചെയ്യാൻ പോണേ? നമ്മള് ഈ രണ്ട് നമ്പറിനെയും അതേതായ പ്ലേസ് വാല്യൂല് നമ്മൾ എഴുതുന്നു ഫസ്റ്റ്. So 3, 7, 8, 8 and 5. So 5,873. I have placed it properly. Now what about the next number? Is that fine? Now both the numbers are represented in the place value chart. Now let us start adding. From where we will add? From the thousands place? No, we will start adding always from the ones place. We will start adding always from the ones place. Is that clear to you? We will never add from a bigger place value. നമ്മൾ എപ്പോഴും എഡിഷൻ തുടങ്ങുന്നത് വൺസ് പ്ലേസ് എന്നായിരിക്കും. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പൊ നമുക്ക് ആഡ് ചെയ്യാം. അപ്പൊ ആഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ എങ്ങനെ ആഡ് ചെയ്യാം? നമ്മളൊക്കെ ഫിംഗേഴ്സ് വെച്ചിട്ടാണോ ആഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? ഫോർത്ത് സ്റ്റാൻഡേർഡിലായില്ലേ? So you have to do the mental calculation. So what is 9 plus 3? Keep the bigger number in mind. Okay, and take 3. So you have to count. After 9 you have to count 3. Okay, so take 3 fingers. After 9, 10, 11, 12. So what are we getting? 12. അപ്പോൾ 12 ഇവിടെ എഴുതാൻ പറ്റുമോ? പറ്റില്ല. അപ്പൊ നമ്മൾ എന്താ ചെയ്യാ? വൺസ് പ്ലേസ് നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ വെച്ചിട്ട് ടെൻസ് പ്ലേസ് എവിടെ കൊടുക്കും? ടെൻസ് പ്ലേസ് എവിടെ കൊടുക്കും? ഇവിടെ അടുത്ത പ്ലേസ് വാല്യൂലേക്ക് ക്യാരി ഫോർവേഡ് ആയിട്ട് നമ്മൾ കൊടുക്കും. ഓക്കെ, സോ 2 we will write here and tens place digit will be carry forward. So we got the answer 12. So in 12, 1 is in the tens place. So that will be carry forward. And 3 plus 9, 12. So 2 is in the ones place. So ones place we will write it there itself. Is that clear? Now we are going to add tens place. Now when we are going to add tens place, we will be adding this number also. Okay. So 7 plus 2 is 9 and 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 ones place la endha ulle 0. So we will write 0 here. And the tens place number will always be given as carry forward to the next place value. Next place value like endha cheya? Carry forward aanu cheya. Appo nammal carry forward cheyidu. 1 we have carry forward to hundreds place. Is that fine? Okay. Now we will add all the numbers in the hundreds place. So 8 plus 5 is 13. Keep the bigger number in your mind. 5 is the smaller number. Take 5 fingers. After 8 start counting. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And there is 1 here. So it is 14. In 14, what comes in ones place? Tell me. 4. Very good. What is in the tens place? Tens place we have 1, which will be carry forward to the next place value. So we have carry forward to the next place value. Now let us count all these things. Add all these things which is there here. So 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. So in 12, 2 we will write here and 1 we will give as carry forward to the 10,000s place. 10,000s place. ഇനി 10,000s place എന്തെങ്കിലും ഉണ്ടോ? ഇല്ല. ആകെയുള്ളത് എന്താണ്? 1. So we will write 1 here. We will write 1. So we will write 1 here. Is that clear? So when we add 5,873 and 6,529, we get 12,402. We get how much? 12,402. Did you all understand, children? Yes? Okay. But understanding is not enough. What are you supposed to do? You're supposed to do a lot of practice in addition. So everyone has to try exercise 2.1, only the addition. Will you all do that? Addition, exercise 2.1. Everyone try, practice so that you are doing it very quickly. Okay. Thank you so much, children. Have a nice time. I would like to wish you all a happy Eid. Okay. Take care and stay safe. And see you in the next class.